A warm welcome to one and all. Thank you for joining us. It's a beautiful, high-intensity game. It's a hard pitch. Referee for the toss. Captain wins the toss and is elected to bat first.
Special entrance.
Wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Openers walking in and the crowd cheering in anticipation. Pace bowler into the attack. Not a great ball, and that has been hammered. Terrific shot. Four runs, plays into the gap fabulously. Oh, beats the edge, and the batsman has played all around that one. Couldn't time that well as you would have liked. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Shot for a single. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. The fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. That's a good shot from the batsman. Wasn't the best ball though. To watch their favourite players. Oh, that's picked up and straight into the crowd for a six. Oh, that's a good connection for the batsman. That's what you call a long distance deposit. That's gone high. They'll have that security. Now that looks handsome. It certainly is a huge six. Beauty from the bowler, zips past the edge. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Wow, that is extraordinary. That's a magnificent hit for a six. Length, consistently. Good shot for a single. Turned away for a single. Very good running between the wickets. Came around quickly to cover the... Oh, he's launched that one. That's huge. All won't be a bad option on this pitch. Squeeze a single there. Good running. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here?
Come on, lads, come on, boy!
Good shot for a single. Fielders are expected to support the bowler. Need to keep things really tight.
अगर मारेगा तो then
Turned away for a single. Good backing up by the fielder. Shows how involved. Well placed into the gap. Possible too. Good backing up by the field. They put a good all-round performance today. Bowled well to defend their total. They've